What is up everyone? In this video, I am going to teach you how to add members in Trello. If you are new to Trello and have to use it to track and manage tasks for your job or schoolworks, don't worry, I got your back. It is very easy to add members in Trello. To start it off, we need to open our Trello account on our browser, or you can just install the app from Play Store to make things easier. So let's go ahead and install it. I already have it installed on my phone, so we don't have to wait. Alright, once we have installed Trello on our phone, let us launch the app. Now, in order to add members, you first need to have a board. So let's go ahead and create one. To do that, just tap the plus button on the lower right corner of the screen and then hit board. Let's just name it board right now. You can customize the board settings here, but I'll just leave it like this for now, and then let us tap create board. Alright, we are almost done. Once we have created a board, we can now add members to it. But before we do that, please don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can be notified whenever there are new videos, updates, and other contents from our channel. Anyway, to add members to your Trello board, all you have to do is tap these three dots on the upper right corner of the screen. But first, make sure that you are inside the board that you want your members to be added in. Alright, after tapping those three dots, what I want you to do next is tap invite button. You can invite people in your email contact, but what we'll be using today is the invite link. To create a link, just tap the plus button right here. Now let us copy the link by tapping the copy icon beside the share button. After that, just send the link to the person you want to invite. All they have to do is click the link and sign in their account. And after that, they should have access to the board. And that is how to add members in Trello. If you found this video helpful, then please share it to your friends so we can help them too. And as always, thank you for watching.